So let's start our comprehension and expression exercises by a text called The Acceptable Face of Facebook. So before you read, look at the photograph of the young woman at the top of the article. Describe the person you can see. Describe her clothes. Describe what she is carrying and what she is doing. Speculate about what her job might be. So when you've done that, you read the caption, the yin to Zuckerberg's yang, and then comment on the title, Sheryl Sandberg, the acceptable face of Facebook's social skills for a social network. So this is the article now we've done that. Few corporate types can charm, harden, hack so effectively. Sheryl Sandberg, the number 2 at Facebook, the world's biggest social network, has been glad-handing reporters with spectacular results. The New Yorker says she may upend Silicon Valley's male-dominated culture. New York Magazine puts her in line for Secretary of the Treasury. Bloomberg Businessweek speculates that she might one day be the President of the United States. Her sudden lionization is well timed. Facebook is expected to go public soon, perhaps this year. It may be the biggest internet flotation ever, with a market capitalization of more than $100 billion. Investors may be less bullish if the 27-year-old Mark Zuckerberg, the founder, were in sole charge. Many consider him somewhat socially awkward. Miss Sandberg, a 42-year-old former Google executive, joined Facebook in 2008. Without her, insiders say, it would not have grown from a cash-bleeding startup to a titan with estimated sales of $2 billion last year. She compliments Mr. Zuckerberg well. He is technologically brilliant and knows it. She is a good listener with a keen financial brain. She was once an aide to Larry Summers, the then Treasury Secretary. She provides adult supervision and a professional face to a firm growing so powerful and so quickly that it is bound to clash with governments. Were Mr. Zuckerberg to be grilled by senators who have not yet grasped the concept of email, he might let his irritation show. Miss Sandberg would not have that problem. Since Carly Fiorina and Meg Whitman left HP and eBay, female bosses of big Silicon Valley firms have been rare. Miss Sandberg is doing her part to change this by encouraging women to be more assertive and by building an old girls network. Thanks to her efforts, Facebook has more female executives than the average technology firm. Strangely though, she does not sit on its board. Speculation about her future is inevitable, but for now she is unlikely to move. Facebook has to go far before it fulfills its founder's mission to become the social utility of the online world, and Google has launched a rival service. It may take a Google veteran to fight back. So here are the exercises. Read the first paragraph of the article. You can see it on the left. Complete the sentences below. A corporate type is, a hardened hack is, if you glad hand someone you, if you upend a male-dominated culture you, Sheryl Sandberg is, important American magazines have suggested that Sheryl Sandberg will. Read the second paragraph. Complete the sentences. If you lionize someone you, if you float a private company, you. If investors are bullish, they are. If you are in sole charge of a business, you are. If you are socially awkward, you. Facebook may. Read the third paragraph. Write the question for these answers. Look at the example. She's 42 years old. How old is Sheryl Sandberg? She was an executive at Google in 2008. It was a startup business which cost a lot of money but did not make a profit. Last year, the estimated sales were $2 billion. No, she isn't, but Mark Zuckerberg is. Yes, she is, and she's got a keen financial brain. She provides adult supervision and a professional face. He would probably make his irritation show. No, she wouldn't. Read the fourth paragraph here. Answer the question. What sort of people are rare in Silicon Valley? What is Sheryl Sandberg encouraging women to do? What sort of network is she building? How can Sheryl Sandberg's work be seen in Facebook? Read the last paragraph. Correct the statements below. Sheryl Sandberg is likely to leave Facebook soon. Sheryl Sandberg's mission was to make Facebook the social utility of the online world. Google One is not a rival to Facebook. Vocabulary. Complete the sentences below with words from the box. Assertive, awkward, bullish, clash, complimented, flotation, hack, inevitable, lionized, soul, titan, upended. So after reading, read the whole article again and discuss the following questions. How have female bosses affected businesses you were? Pick one of these examples or find another female executive you know about or want to talk about and write a short paragraph about her to present to the class.